Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta sauce easy step by step. Start by gathering tomatoes, olive oil, garlic, onion, basil, salt, and a pot to simmer. We'll break the process into simple stages: sauté, simmer, and finish with seasoning. I'll guide you through timing, texture cues, and quick tips to boost flavor without fuss. Stay tuned for swaps and serving ideas to match your taste. Gather fresh tomatoes or canned whole tomatoes, good olive oil, garlic, onion, and fresh basil. Chop and prep ingredients before you heat the pan to save time. Use a food mill or blender for a smoother texture, or crush by hand for a rustic sauce with body. Taste and adjust salt and acidity as it simmers to get balanced flavor that fits your preferences. Add a splash of pasta water to bind the sauce. Heat olive oil and gently sauté onion and garlic until translucent and aromatic, taking care not to brown them. Add tomatoes and bring the sauce to a low simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and to develop depth. Use tasting cues and texture. Thicker and glossy means ready, and finish with torn basil, a splash of pasta water, and a drizzle of good olive oil to round the flavor before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.